Hi, I'm Colby with Delmar Fans and Lighting, and I'm here to show you the features of the Hunter Auberville ceiling fan. The Auberville ceiling fan can be installed flush, on an angle, or standard with a down rod. And it could be installed with or without the included light. This white Hunter Auberville fan has a 44-inch blade span with a 13-degree blade pitch, which works well in a 75 to 150 square foot room space. You know, rooms like your bedroom, an office, small living room. This fan utilizes the Hunter WhisperWind motor and moves air at a rate of 3,511 cubic feet per minute. That's a pretty good amount of air for a 44-inch fan. The Auberville comes with a bowl light kit and includes two 60-watt candelabra-based bulbs, giving you a total of 120 watts of incandescent light. That's enough light to see the words in the book you're reading. What do you think of the Hunter Auberville ceiling fan? Leave a comment below and let us know. Thanks for joining us here at Delmar Fans and Lighting.